Today in this video I would like to share with you a weight loss drink. This powerful drink will accelerate your metabolic rate, flush out bad toxins, cleanses your system and helps to reduce weight faster. So let's start. Take 1½ cucumber. Wash, peel off, and cut into small pieces. Put cucumber in a mixer grinder and add 1 cup water. Blend it well. Cucumber helps to reduce weight faster and also helps in skin health. Pour this juice to serving glass. Chia seed. Take 1 spoon chia seed. Add chia seed to the cucumber juice and mix it well. Lemon juice. Add lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and helps to promote immune system. Lemon also suppress hunger craving. Honey. Add 1 spoon honey. Now you can drink this juice in early morning before breakfast. Consume it daily for best result. You can see visible result in your weight loss and your skin become glow and beautiful.